Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to a Modern Combat 5 Blackout video where today I am going to be using the IMP-S Tier 6 Sniper on Team Battle Streets. So let's get straight into this while this loads. There we go. I have been using it before because I have got a new scope. I've got the new mags, mag. Where do you see this? Explosive ammunition. Explosive ammunition. Come on. Do you see if I can get these? No, I think he's away. Whoa. Don't die. Come on. They're all hiding like wimps. None of them are big enough to come out and stand against us. Because we are pros. Explosive kill. Damn it. Let's see. Somebody picked up my gun. IMP-S. As I said, Tier 6 Sniper. Explosive ammunition. Look at that. And it will also hurt yourself. I'm just saying. So don't shoot near yourself. And get enemies that are as far away as you can. Just try to get enemies. Look. Oh, picked up red. Red, red, red. Come on. Lag. Explosive kill. Somebody come me with the red. Hi. That's my little bro. If you haven't seen any of the videos of me and him, go into our YouTube channel and search up playing with my little bro. And there you will get all of our videos that we have done together.
I done a try not to laugh video.
Yeah, which didn't turn out that well.
Because it automatically ended and he didn't get to say like and subscribe. Well,
yes.
if you're gonna go...
Well, anyway, it doesn't matter about that, little bro. So please leave a like, subscribe. And I guess that's it for today's video. Until next time, see ya.